What will be the future of this country? Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Busy Prime Minister, Mr. Mon Ki Baat Prime Minister, what you want? What you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. Until and unless people give me the support, you cannot. Even I will appeal all the state government, all the opposition state government, and all the senior leaders of this country, and all the NGOs, all the intellectuals, all the political persons, all the IS and IPS, please be together. And state service officer also, please be together and fight the battle. It is not only the battle of Alapan Bandyopadhyay. This battle is for all the bureaucracy, all the bureaucrats. Bureaucrats are afraid now. They cannot even ask them a question. কিছুক্ষণ আগে আমাদের কাছে একটা চিঠি আসে, জাস্ট 5টা বাজার কিছুক্ষণ আগে, তাতে লিখেছে একটা রুল কোট করে যে 6(1) of IAS cadre rules 1954 in particular the provision বলেছে যে disagreement between the central and state তাহলে কিন্তু গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়াতে ইমিডিয়েট এফেক্টে জয়েন করতে হবে বলে আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে বলেছিল যে তুমি কালকে নর্থ ব্লকে এসে জয়েন করো বেলা 10টার সময়। এই চিঠিটা আমরা পেয়েছি কিছুক্ষণ আগে। এ ব্যাপারে আমার বক্তব্য, এই চিঠিটার মধ্যে কোথাও, আপনাদের কপি দিয়ে দেবো, এই চিঠিটার মধ্যে কোথাও কিন্তু লেখা নেই what was the reason. No reason is been said. এবার আসছে কথা, তারা যখন আমাকে, তারপরে আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে যেদিন মিটিং হলো কলাইকুণ্ডায়, যদিও প্রাইম মিনিস্টারের কোনো ভার্চুয়াল মিটিং নয় এটা, প্রাইম মিনিস্টার ওখানে ল্যান্ড করেছিলেন। তার আগে উনি কিন্তু আমাদের একবারও বলেননি যে আমার সাথে চলো, প্লিজ কাম উইথ মি, অ্যাকম্পানি উইথ মি and let us see the flood affected area or the cyclone affected area. He never said so. And in Bengal he never visited for that purpose. He just landed when he was coming from Odisha. Digha is adjacent there, so they came Kalaikunda, that is the airport, so from there he can go to Delhi. And there he said he wants to meet PM to CM. After that everything you know, and when I meet him, and details I have already said, I met him along with my chief secretary. At that time I requested him that because of my earlier program preoccupied, I have to visit some disaster area affected areas, so please allow me and my CS to visit the Digha because the weather is not good, so we have to go early with your kind permission. Thrice I mentioned this. But after that, I am shocked to see whatever I replied, you have seen that. The reply was very properly done, that you cannot take one-sided unilateral decision, even for a topmost number 1 bureaucrats in the state. अब सबसे ज्यादा चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो बड़ा ब्यूरोक्रेट होता है उसको आप जस्ट बुला के लेते हैं। इट नेवर हैपेंस विद इन दिस 74 years of our history. अब ये शर्म का बात है। इवन आई एम रियली सॉरी टू सी दैट अभी जस्टिस का तो जस्टिस तो नहीं हुआ। पर्पस ऑफ एक्सटेंशन वाज कोविड एंड साइक्लोन. They did not mention in the letter for what reason they want that Alapan Bandyopadhyay CS will join Government of India. What purpose? What is the reason? That they did not mention. They only mentioned the rule, one rule they quoted, 6(1). That rule said that center and state detailed consultation should be there, but no detailed consultation is there, but it is just reverse. प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण एवं प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण है कि इतना निर्दय, इतना निर्मम प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, होम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा जो ममता को खिलाफ में है, इसी के लिए उसको चीफ सेक्रेटरी पर उसको ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को भी अटैक करने पड़ता है. दिस इज टू मच. नाउ द अटेम्प्ट is, instead of giving the state consultation, the jurisdiction of the state, give importance to federal structure, they have added injury to the government of India. Especially they have no consultation with the state government. ये जस्ट रिवर्स हो गया. प्रायर कंसल्टेशन जीरो था, डिटेल्ड कंसल्टेशन नहीं हुआ. रूल 6 clause 1 prior consultation is there, but you have not done that also. You have added to insult injury. कंसल्टेशन का बदल में ये रिवर्स हो गया है. No consultation, nothing, no reason, nothing. Only political vendetta works. Why? You don't like Mamata Banerjee, that's why. Why? You are defeated, that's why. Why? You know that you are nowhere in Bengal, that's why. Do you think that they should not respect the people's mandate? After my taking oath, within a day, they have got to saying violence, violence, violence. I have not seen any violence. There must be some evidence. They have gone, filed some writ petition for president rule. We came to know from the media. They have gone to National Human Rights Commission. They sent National Human Rights Commission. They sent central team, not for the purpose of COVID, but for the purpose of political vendetta to save the BJP from their inner fightings. They want to bulldoze the state government totally. They want to play only the political vendetta. Who has taken this decision? This is illegal, unconstitutional, and we do not know who are their political advisors. Maybe some political advisor, this Prime Minister and Home Minister. It's really danger for the country. And it is not only they are going to bulldoze the federal structure, they are going to the moral of the bureaucrats throughout the country. Please remember, if the top officer of the state, he gets this type of humiliation, insultation, the behavior after working full of life, dedicated full of his life for the government, for the public, and after that, central government cannot force him to join government of India without his consent, or the consent is without the consent of the state government, the detailed consultation. What message Modi government is giving to the country? They want to create disaster for the federal structure. They want to damage the bureaucracy. Not only Alavan Bandyopadhyay, I thanks to him that he has taken his own decision before that. But why the Chief Secretary to SDO, SDO to BDO, the central government, whenever they will desire, they will call them? Are they the bonded labor? They are not. Central government cadre, we respect them. State government cadres, we respect. You can call central pool cadres, but without state consultation, you cannot. I can call also, there are so many Bengal cadres officers are working in the central government. Only two syndicate members, these two, whatever they can decide, that is the law. It never said, even if somebody go to the court will not give support also. So far my knowledge is concerned, I am also as a lawyer speaking. I am also as a lawyer. And I am the High Court, Kolkata High Court, the live member of Bar Council also. So as a just common lawyer or just as a commoner, what we can guess? Nobody can give this type of order. It is very unfortunate, unconstitutional, undermining the subversive and all this. I cannot accept all this.